Install the pads. Take down the weighted iron first. Step on the pedal to lift the machine. Install the resin pads. The new machine should be torn off protection Velcro. Install the same grid of resin pads. Install the metal discs. Remove grinding heads with a screwdriver. The rotatable disc is used for disassembling and assembling the grinding disc in and out. Take the metal disc and install it to the hole. Be careful to hold the front and not to put your hands on the edge or behind. Pay attention to the alignment of holes. Turn the plate for easy installation. Try to be careful when you hold it, because the magnet has suction involved to pinch your hand. The metal grinding disc is replaced with the resin grinding disc. Remove the changeover head. Install the transaction head. 3 holes should be aligned. If it is aligned with other holes, it will not be installed. Thanks for watching.